Woodworking is a craft that demands precision, skill, and the right set of tools, whether you're shaping, joining, or finishing. Today we're diving into a lineup of woodworking tools that are seriously raising the bar. First up is the Jet Router Table, a versatile workhorse built for serious woodworkers. You get to choose between a cast iron or MDF tabletop depending on your preference, and the rolling stand means you can reposition it anywhere in your shop without breaking a sweat. The precision router lift and adjustable fence system give you the accuracy your projects deserve, while multiple dust ports help you keep things clean and under control. What really sets this table apart is how well it adapts to both beginner and advanced routing tasks. The robust construction means it will handle years of heavy use without losing its precision or stability. The Jet Router Table isn't just a tool, it's a complete upgrade to the way you work. Next, meet the Grizzly Scroll Saw, a machine that makes intricate cuts feel effortless. It supports both pin and plane end blades, and the clever cam action blade release system lets you handle interior cuts quickly and cleanly. Variable speed control means you can adapt to different wood types on the fly, and the smooth, quiet operation means you can work for extended periods without fatigue or distraction. Its sturdy frame absorbs vibration beautifully, keeping your cut lines tight and consistent even during the most detailed and delicate work. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend builder, the Grizzly Scroll Saw delivers the kind of performance you can rely on every single time. Every serious woodworker needs a reliable angle measuring tool, and the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge fits that role perfectly. Its flexible plastic legs and eccentric lever make aligning angles on a miter saw straightforward and stress-free. It handles tight corners with ease, and the built-in fold-out stop simplifies marking repeated angles consistently. The durable construction holds its settings firmly once locked, so there's no slipping or shifting mid-project. It's compact enough to carry in your apron pocket, yet precise enough to satisfy the most demanding carpentry standards on any job. From flooring installation to furniture building, this compact tool earns its place in every toolkit. Don't head into a project without it. If you're still nailing the old-fashioned way, the Makita full round head framing nailer is about to change your life. It's impressively lightweight, making long hours on the job site far less exhausting. The faster nail driving speed keeps your workflow moving, and the solid top-loading aluminum magazine ensures smooth, reliable feeding every time. The tool's ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue significantly, letting you maintain full control and accuracy even after hours of continuous use on demanding projects. Its consistent depth of drive ensures every nail sits exactly where you need it, giving your framing work a clean and professional finish. When demanding situations arise, the large-capacity air chamber delivers the power you need to push through without slowing down. This is the nailer that pros trust when it really matters. Don't let the simple appearance fool you. The Craig project blocks are smarter than they look. Designed to lift your workpiece above the surface, these blocks give you better access and control during a variety of tasks. A set of 4 can support up to 200 pounds combined, and the retractable painting points activate with a simple twist, making finish work cleaner and easier. The non-slip base keeps each block firmly in position even when you're applying significant downward pressure during sanding or drilling operations. They stack neatly for compact storage and are built from materials tough enough to survive repeated drops and the general abuse of a busy job site. Built to handle job site conditions, these blocks are tough, practical, and surprisingly versatile. Your workbench will never feel the same without them. Cutting flooring materials has never been this clean or this quiet. The Marshalltown Magnum series shears slice through laminates and vinyl planks with remarkable precision and zero dust. The blade is engineered to outlast traditional cutting blades by up to 20 times, making it an outstanding long-term investment. Its lightweight design keeps fatigue low even during extended use, and maneuverability around your project space is effortless. The shears produce perfectly straight cuts every time, eliminating the need for secondary trimming or cleanup that slows down your installation timeline considerably. Installers who switch to this tool consistently report faster project completion times and significantly cleaner results that impress both clients and inspectors alike. Upgrade your flooring installation process and experience the difference that a purpose-built cutting tool truly makes. When your edges need to be sharp, smooth, and consistent, the Easy Edge delivers every time. Its 90-degree sole and adjustable blade work together to produce clean, even strokes across your boards without tearing or chipping. It handles chamfers, 1/4-inch radius, 3/16 radius, and 1/8 radius profiles with equal ease. Even highly figured maple responds beautifully to its smooth action. The finely tuned blade geometry removes just the right amount of material with each pass, giving you complete control over the final profile without the risk of overcutting or gouging your workpiece. Woodworkers who try it for the first time are consistently surprised by how much cleaner their edge work becomes almost immediately. When the job is done, hang it neatly on its wall-mountable bracket and move on. Clean edges have never been this simple to achieve. But the Logox Forestry Multi-Tool makes it significantly easier on your body. Its uniquely designed hook grips logs securely so you can maneuver them safely without bending awkwardly or risking injury. The optional handle extension gives you the leverage to lift even heavier logs with far less strain. The tool is constructed from hardened steel that stands up to the roughest outdoor conditions without bending, rusting, or losing its grip strength over time. Its balanced weight distribution means you can work with it for stretches without the arm and shoulder fatigue that plagues traditional log handling methods. Whether you're clearing land or stacking firewood, this tool keeps you working comfortably and efficiently from morning until the job is done. For woodworkers who want glass-smooth surfaces, the Vevor Benchtop Jointer is exactly what you need. Its powerful motor works quickly to flatten and smooth rough boards with minimal effort from you. A generous planing width of 156 millimeters handles most common stock sizes with room to spare. The built-in dust exhaust interface channels debris away from your workspace, keeping things tidy and safe. The precision ground in-feed and out-feed tables ensure your boards stay perfectly aligned throughout each pass, resulting in surfaces that are flat, true, and ready for glue-up or finishing without any additional preparation required. The adjustable depth of cut lets you take aggressive passes on rough stock or fine finishing passes when extreme smoothness is the goal. Reliable, efficient, and easy to use, this jointer is a genuine game changer for any serious shop. Rounding out the list is the Ryobi 1 Plus HP Compact Brushless Circular Saw, a tool that packs serious performance into a surprisingly small package. At 25% lighter than older models, it still delivers up to 4,900 RPM of cutting power and manages around 350 cuts on a single charge. The depth adjustment gauge, 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity, vacuum dust adapter, and onboard LED work light make it adaptable to nearly any cutting situation. The brushless motor technology not only extends battery life, but also reduces maintenance requirements dramatically, since there are no brushes to wear out or replace during the tool's working life. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for working in tight spaces where a full-size saw simply cannot fit without sacrificing cut quality or operator control. Less weight, more power, and longer runtime, this saw truly delivers on every promise. And that wraps up our roundup of woodworking tools that are genuinely on another level. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with a fellow woodworker. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this coming your way soon.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.